So in this video, we're going to be going over how to find the different economic growth rates, compounding, and the rule of 70. So let's begin. So economic growth is basically how much a country grows its GDP per year. Rapid economic growth is actually a modern phenomenon. As you see, as the years go by, it's been constantly increasing. So to calculate it, it's really simple. We have two formulas. The first one to find our GDP per capita growth rate is we're going to take nominal GDP growth rate and then subtract the inflation rate and the population. The second one is the classic current year minus previous year divided by previous year. So we're going to have the real GDP per capita of, like, let's say 2023 minus the real GDP per capita of 2022 divided by 2022 real GDP per capita multiplied by 100. So let's do an example. So in this case, we can tell we're going to be doing the first one, given nominal GDP, inflation, and population, but not the years. So to find it, we know that we need to subtract inflation rate and population from nominal. So 18 minus 3 minus 1.4 is going to equal to 13.6. Pretty simple. The next one is a little bit more complicated, but still pretty simple. So we're given every piece of information except the population. So we know that 7.2 minus 3 is 4.2. So what number is going to subtract from 4.2 to get this to 2.2? What's 2? So we're going to use that. Now for the other one, for this formula right here, we're going to do for this one. So we're given the years. So this is our new year. This is the old year. So we're going to do new minus old divided by old. So 2,400 minus 2,000 divided by 2,000. If you plug that into your calculator, that's going to get 0.2 and multiply by 100, it's 20%. Simple. Now, compounding and the rule of 70. So compounding is just basically building over a value to equal, like, the previous year's money. For example, if I were to purchase a car for $60,000 in cash, but instead spread those payments out over 5 years, I wouldn't pay $5,000 for every payment, like, for, let's say, 6 payments or 12 payments, because at the end of the year, that $5,000 is going to be worth less than what I would originally pay for. So we compound it to equal to it. So the formula right here is the GDP of year A equals GDP of year B times 1 plus the growth rate over 100. So if the growth rate was 5, it would be 0.05 to the power of year A minus year B. The rule of 70 is really simple. It shows how long it takes for an income to double in a country. So it's 70 divided by the growth rate. So let's do a rule of 70 example. So real growth rate right here. So we can do 70 divided by 2, which is equal to 35. So that's how long it'll take for the income to double. Let's do this one. So 70 divided by 1.2 is equal to 58 1/3. And that's our growth rate until income doubles. Very simple, guys. And that's